Hello everyone, this is Sinobri Asir from Sinobri Asir House of Beauty, and I'm here to do a short tutorial for Bonanza Satrangi's new makeup line called Top Face. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to use is the hydrating moisturizer. Then comes in the mineral primer. Next up we have foundation. I'll choose the matte foundation. I'm using the matte foundation and the shade number is 011. It's a little lighter for my skin, but I think I'm going to balance it out with the concealer. I've evenly applied the foundation all over my face. By the way, the brush number is number 7. That's a foundation brush. After applying with the brush, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. That the foundation is nicely blended into my skin, I'll be using the concealer in the shade Natural 003. Trying to evenly blend out the concealer into the foundation to give a final finish. Now to set my liquid foundation, I'll be going in with the mineral hydrating powder. This is in the shade Light Tan. The products are really good. I'm loving everything so far I've used. Now I'm going to take the excess off. Powder is really good and really light on the skin. We're going in with the contour stick in the shade PT562. As much as I love contouring my skin, I'm going to blend those contour lines with the beauty blender. After the contour, I'm going to go in with the blush on in the shade number 007. I'm going in with the blush on with the brush number 2. After the blush on, I'm going to go in with the baked highlighter in this shade Cotton Candy. Whoa, this is intense. Good on the temples. I love how intense the highlighter is. Next up we have the eyebrow gel, and I'm going to go in with the brush number 18. I always like my brows a little thicker, deep with the gel. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to be starting with the eye makeup. So guys, now I'll be using the Quartet eyeshadow palette that they've sent me. Starting with the brush number 11, and I'll be choosing this color. I'm picking up the grey color from the palette. I like the shade, how deep it is. Oh my god, super pigmented. Here I'm going to start with the black shade. We have the eyeliner. It's always good to stretch the eye when you're doing the liner. It makes it very easy. I'm using the same charcoal gray under my eyes to create the smoky effect. Now I'm going to go in with the 3D Dimension mascara. The best thing about this mascara is that you can twist it, and so it makes it very easy for you to choose the volume that you want. Next up, I'm going in with the lipstick in the shade Pinky Light. Look at the shade, it's beautiful. The final finish, I'll be using the matte lip paint in the shade PT206. Going in with the highlighter stick, just over here and over here.